Rafael Filippini here with Gearbox. Today we're going to talk about our CX11 paddles. These are our high-end paddles and feature our advanced technology. CX11s come in two shapes, the elongated and the more traditional shape. The elongated shape's benefits are one, that you get more reach into the kitchen or non-volley zone. You get a longer lever for more powerful drives from the baseline. Also, it's a little bit thinner, so when you're imparting roll or spin on the ball, this one rolls a little bit easier. With the traditional shape, the benefits of this is that when you're moving left to right in the non-volley zone or the kitchen area, it's a little bit faster. It gives you a little wider area to hit, so a little bit more forgiving when you're in those fast shots back and forth. Gives you a little bit more stability because it is wider, so therefore you have more stability with your dinking. So those two benefits, with the elongated and more traditional shape. Both shapes come in power and control. A person that would choose the power is looking for the ball to not stay on the paddle face quite as long, so the ball tends to jump off the face quickly. Also, the paddle does more of the work, so if you're not a powerful player and need a little bit more from your paddle, then this paddle is going to do more work for you, therefore, give you a bit more powerful shot. On the control paddle, it does quite the opposite. It absorbs energy from the ball, so what happens when the ball strikes the face, this is going to absorb some of that energy, and therefore the ball is not going to rebound quite as quickly. And the players looking for a control paddle are those who need a little bit more control or want a softer game around the non-volley zone. So those are the two differences between power and control. The CX11 line, we have our patented solid span technology that features ribs running down the face of the paddle. And the benefits for that is no delamination, improved feel, better ball response, and durability. Another feature to our CX11 line of paddles is we have the woven 3K woven carbon. And what that does is the 3K tends to absorb more of the energy and it dissipates vibration. So we applied that to the face of the paddle along with some of the frame plies that are internally running through the paddle and then around the perimeter. So what that does is softens the feel. It provides less feedback from the ball, which it's an improvement that a lot of people are really talking about. This paddle also features our Hyperbite technology, and that is our core is made of the ribs, which when you impact the ball creates more spin, and that's what most players are looking for today. We were able to enhance the sweet spot by changing the fibers around the perimeter to increase or return more energy to the ball. The CX11 also features our edgeless technology, meaning that we've molded the entire paddle, got rid of the plastic bumper, and by doing that, it creates a stronger structure. It's 11 millimeters thick. Why 11 millimeters is that it's going to be a little thinner, more maneuverable, left to right, also in rotation, and this paddle gives you a little quicker response. Both CX11s come in two different weights. We have our 7.8 and 8.5. The benefits of the weight is that a lighter weight is going to give you more maneuverability, the ability to roll, where the heavier 8.5 is going to provide stability and also prevent less torque when you're mishitting off center. They also come with a 3 5/8 and 3 15/16 grip. With the CX11 line, we have a variety of choices. You can choose between the weight, the shape, and then also you have power and control. So there's definitely a paddle within this line to fit your game.